Welcome to the Cambodian street food scene. The moment you step onto the streets, you feel the energy. The air is alive. It is thick with incredible smells. You hear the sizzle of grills. You see vendors calling out with big smiles. This is where the real food magic happens. It happens right on the sidewalk. Cambodian street food is a world of bright, bold flavors. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy. Everything is made fresh right in front of you. You don't need a fancy restaurant to eat like a king here. The best food is often served from a small cart or a simple stall. This is a journey for your taste buds. We are going to explore the top 10 street bites you absolutely must try. Each dish tells a story of the land, the people, and their history. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first stop is a true Cambodian icon, the mighty num pang. This is not just any sandwich. This is a flavor explosion in a crispy baguette. The bread, a gift from the French past, is light, airy, and super crunchy. Inside, a world of textures and tastes. It starts with a spread, often rich pâté, sometimes creamy mayo. Then comes the meat. Grilled pork, tender chicken, even small fish, savory with a hint of sweet. A pile of bright cilantro and fresh mint cuts through the richness. Then the crunch. Tangy, sweet, ultra-crispy pickled carrots and daikon. A final drizzle of special sauce ties it all together. One bite, sweet, sour, salty, savory, boom. Tip, eat it immediately. Don't wait, crispy bread is everything. You'll spot carts near markets, schools, and busy intersections. Grab a stool and eat it right on the street. That crunch plus the pickles? Unforgettable. Num pang, simple idea, genius execution. A masterpiece you can hold in your hand. Now, breakfast. Baisak truk, pork and rice. Thinly sliced pork, marinated with coconut milk, garlic, family recipes passed down. Slow grilling gives smoky sweetness and juicy tenderness. Over fluffy rice with tangy pickles, add a fried egg. That runny yolk becomes the sauce. Wow. Sometimes a light broth on the side, perfect balance. Tip, pick the busy stall. Motorbikes lined up means it's good. Mix it all. A little chili from the table makes it sing. Cuisine, Cambodia's noodle soup for the soul. A delicate broth, simmered for hours. Clean but deeply savory. Soft, slightly chewy noodles soak up that goodness. Choose your protein, pork, beef, or seafood, always tender. Then you become the chef. Fresh sprouts, cilantro, green onions, crispy fried garlic, hot broth, soft noodles, tender meat, crunchy herbs, a perfect chorus. Local tip, squeeze lime, add chili, maybe a touch of sugar, then stir. Taste, adjust, repeat, make it yours. Creating your perfect bowl is half the fun. Breakfast or late night, Tiv always hits the spot. Comfort, Cambodian style. We can't talk about Cambodian food without fish amok, the creamy curry classic. Not a liquid, more like a soft, savory custard. Kruung paste, lemongrass, galangal, turmeric, mixed with rich coconut cream. Fresh fish steams gently in banana leaf, perfumed and tender. Smell coconut, lemongrass, and the earthy leaf. Pure elegance. Take small scoops and let the flavors unfold. Don't leave a drop. This one's special. Lak lak, stir-fried beef that crackles in a hot wok. Marinated in soy and oyster sauce with plenty of black pepper. Searing creates a crust while the inside stays tender. Served over crisp salad, hot meets cool. Make the magic. Fresh lime, ground black pepper, a pinch of salt. Tangy, peppery sauce cuts through the richness. That's the move. Don't be shy with the dip. Side of rice to catch all those juices. Perfect. Simple, fast, and unbelievably satisfying. Elegant amok, sizzling lak lak, two Khmer classics, two moods, onto the grills. Follow the smoke. Sky, charcoal grilled skewers are everywhere. Pork, chicken, sometimes beef, even sausages, thin cut and skewered. Marinated sweet savory, brushed as they cook. Tender inside, charred sticky edges outside, texture heaven. Grab and go, perfect while you explore. Tip, add pickles. The tang cuts the richness. Smoky sweet bite, then a crunchy sour chaser. You'll want another, and another. Nam ban chak, Khmer noodles, light and herby. Soft noodles with a slight tang from fermented rice. A light soupy green curry. Fragrant kroyong pounded fish. The best part, pile on fresh herbs and crunchy veggies. Tip, don't be shy, go big on greens. Mix it up for cool noodles, warm curry, fresh crunch in every bite. Soft noodles, crunchy veg, fragrant herbs, savory curry. So refreshing. You'll even hear vendors calling through neighborhoods. It's a Khmer morning soundtrack. Grilled at dusk, fresh at dawn. Cambodian streets feed you 24/7. Okay, ready for an adventure? Fried insects are a real local snack. Crickets, grasshoppers, silkworms, sometimes even tarantulas. Deep fried till super crunchy, then tossed with salt and chili. Tip, start small, ask to try one. They taste like the seasoning, mostly crunch. You might be surprised. Crickets and grasshoppers, dao, pure crunch. Silkworms, da, crisp outside, soft inside. Time to cool down, coconut ice cream. Served in a young coconut shell with fresh coconut meat at the bottom. Light, refreshing, bursting with pure coconut flavor. Go for all the toppings, peanuts, sticky rice, palm fruit, condensed milk. Make every spoonful a combo of creamy, chewy, soft, and crunchy. Smooth and soft, it melts instantly like a cool coconut cloud. What a journey, from numpang crunch to the cool sweetness of coconut ice cream. This is just a taste of Phnom Penh, Siem Reap, and beyond. Every dish is a piece of Khmer culture. History, tradition, creativity, flavors bright, textures exciting, memories unforgettable, fresh, local ingredients, cooked with heart and soul. On the street, you feel the real Cambodia moving around you. Use a smile and a thank you, aw cone. See a crowd? Join it. Point to what looks great. Be brave. Be curious, try something new. A beautiful balance, sweet, sour, salty, spicy. Pack your appetite, your journey starts now. The street food of Cambodia will challenge you, surprise you, and absolutely blow your mind. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.